Keep pressing the buttons. The dome on top as well.
The dome.
And there's one more figure left with it. Commander Pike. I think it's Pike anyway. So you can change Kirk. Right, Commander Pike. And we've got all the seats move. There's a little bit of damage on this one. I think that's damaged. Yeah, that's damaged.
He's controlling it.
Tricorders. I think it was, yeah, this one needs a bit of, I'm not sure if that's
Needs to be refixed.
that's a bit Star Trek Next Generation actually. Actually, now come to think about it, the whole thing's Star Trek Next Generation.
There's actually pressing buttons.
So really, these figures are the wrong figures for it. Okay, give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, and check out my other Star Trek and Model Railway and VTech and all sorts of videos. Got a couple of cool videos of some model Star Trek ships, and also Space 1999 one, so go and check those out. So thanks for watching, have a good day.